Ay, sasakay tayo for how many minutes?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
For 10,000 yen.
For 10,000 yen or isang lapad. Ano mo?
Arigatou gozaimasu, Kato-san. Gambate. First time.
First time, yes.
Hajimete.
So, grabe ang experience. Ang mahal na. Yes. Every day, many?
This season,
Every day.
coming soon, cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossoms.
Winter just finished.
Hindu temple.
Yes.
Very famous temple.
Very famous temple.
700 years old.
Okay.
UNESCO.
UNESCO.
UNESCO. Ay, dapat pa yung nilabas ko pala dapat yung ano.
Restaurant at Humble Falls.
Okay. May mga bus din dito eh, no? Merong public transpo. May public transportation. So, ito na yung ano. Ito na yung papasok ng ano eh. Ito na yung
traffic.
Oo, medyo na traffic lang. Mamaya na makamalubot ako.
Ay, ganda ng view.
Ganda ng view dito.
Japan, 600 kind of bamboo.
600.
Oh.
This kind of madat, only one. Only 2 months grow up very fast.
Yes.
So, you know, kendo, Japanese kendo. This bamboo make a kendo sword. Okay, picture point, okay?
Picture.
Sure.
Okay, take photo, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ito. Bigyan natin camera. Ayan.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. Oh, smile. See. Nice. Okay. Okay.
One more.
Okay.
Yan ka sa akin.
Ano yun?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very nice. Nice.
Wow.
Oh. Yoshikaido.
Galing. Oh, ito na yung ano, yung railway. Yes.
Go to Kyoto Station.
Kyoto Station.
Okay, bumping.
Okay.
rickshaw experience here in Arashiyama.
Inside the bamboo forest.
Ito.
Wow. Hindi, oo nga, hindi kanina.
First, fresh air.
Yes,
Fresh air.
fresh air.
Oh.
Wow, beautiful.
Beautiful view. Perfect. Ah, meron talagang spot na eh, no? May spot talaga na for picture. Ganon. Ayun, may spot talaga eh. Ayun, katulad nun. Meron talagang for ano eh, for picture, for experience na ano.
30 minutes ulit na eh.
Oo, sulit na eh. Nakakaya nila yung isang oras, kaya.
Kasi ba yung oras na sa isang araw dito?
Sa bagay kasi, hindi, tsaka may point naman na maalis.
Okay.
Ano daw to?
Sa riverside na maraming hotel.
Rich people.
Rich people, ah?
Oh, rich people.
Sacho.
Wow.
All Sacho.
Rich people pala nakatira dito.
Mukha ni
Sabi ni
Muchi.
Kuya. Rich. Ano daw?
Rickshaw.
May-ari ng rickshaw yan.
Office ba? Siguro.
Office nila. Oo, parang ganun. Pero sabi niya, rich people yung mga nakapaligid dito. Kahit gano'n lang yung bahay. Yung titignan mo, normal lang yung itsura ng mga bahay. Pero mga rich daw yan. Malamang, kasi nandito ka sa sentro. Talaga magiging rich ka. Kasi kung sino din yung nandito, tatayo sila ng business.
This mountain, Arashiyama Mountain.
Yes, Arashiyama Mountain.
Arashiyama.
Yes.
Arashi is stormy. Yama is mountain. Stormy mountain.
Tommy Mountain.
Oh,
This mountain many maple tree. Very beautiful. Autumn season red color.
okay.
But riverside.
Riverside.
Good wind.
Very good. Neighborhood. Sabi ni Kuya, sabi nitong hapon, yan, kung titingnan mo, yan, pangkaraniwan lang daw yung mga bahay na yan, pero rich people daw yan. Sabi niya kanina sa amin. Ayun. Rich people daw ang mga nakatira dyan. Sabi nitong Japanese na nagpupul na rickshaw. Yes, houses. With businesses.
Old house.
Old house. Konnichiwa.
100 years old.
Oh, wow. Ah, 100 years old. Grabe, 100 years old daw yan, oh. Okay. Ito, bakery. Yun daw?
Origami?
Orig. Oh, yan, parang may drawing yan, oh. Hindi nagugulo yan. Yes. Ito daw yung Arashiyama Mountain.
Yama is
Ayan.
mountain. Yama is mountain.
Buddha. Puro Buddha sa
Buddha.
paligid. Oo. Ayan ang temple.
Kunin temple.
Yes.
Picture point, okay, photo.
Ah, picture point.
Okay, sorry, 1, 2, 3. It's okay.
Ah, it's okay.
Okay.
Ito, nasa main road na tayo.
Pabalik na.
Pabalik na, malapit na matapos. 30 minutes na kasi. Han.
Worth every second. And worth it.
Worth it. Feels cool. School siya. Ayun, patapos na kasi yun na yung ano eh. Ayun
Station.
o, yung bundok. Doon niya tayo bababa eh. Di ba? Hmm?
Hindi niya si GoPro.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Oh. Mm-mm.
You see,
Oo.
ano coffee.
Oo. Ay, dito tayo nag-coffee kanina.
Football ABS.
ABS, ha?
I'm safety driver.
Uh,
ABS, ay.
Long trip. Nandun na yung ano eh.
Yeah,
Doon na tayo,
madali na.
malapit na tayo mag-stop eh.
Japanese food.
Japanese?
What?
Your favorite Japanese food.
Ah,
Food.
food. Ah,
Takoyaki.
takoyaki.
Very famous.
Ay.
Oishii, oishii.
Oishii.
Oishi desu. Takoyaki #1.
Kobe beef, very.
Kobe beef,
Mm,
expensive.
Yes. Kobe. Yes. Oo,
Wagyu
mahal.
beef.
Wagyu.
So this is maybe ramen restaurant, ramen.
Mm,
Ramen, #1. Ichiran.
Chiran.
You know, very famous.
Yes, in Tokyo, Hakata. We go Hakata before. #1.
Hakata City.
Hi.
Hakata
Hakata.
City.
Fukuoka.
Fukuoka.
Fukuoka, very famous. Fukuoka is many ramen, tonkotsu
Yes.
ramen.
Tonkotsu.
Tonkotsu is a pig soup, pork soup.
Tanong mo nga dito.
Kyoto
ano
is
famous?
chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Ah, chicken
Kyoto is
soup.
ramen, chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Kyoto, #1 restaurant, ramen.
Ramen.
What?
What?
What
What?
restaurant?
Recommendation.
I recommend Kyoto station, walking 10
Kyoto.
minutes. Shinfuku Saika.
Shin?
Shin Fukusaika.
And Daiichi Asahi.
Daiichi Asahi.
Ah, okay.
Shinfuku Saika ramen shop. Tonari. Daiichi Asahi.
Okay.
You like beer? You
Yes.
like beer? Oh, night beer.
Ah, Asahi.
Asahi, very famous. Asahi,
Kirin.
Kirin, Sapporo.
Sapporo.
Oh, Sapporo.
Yeah.
You like beer, ne? You like Japanese video game?
Yes, of
Mario.
course.
Mario, Super
Pokemon.
Mario.
Yeah.
Super
We have
Mario.
all the PS.
Nintendo.
Nintendo from Kyoto company.
#1.
Nintendo Kyoto company.
Ah, Kyoto Company.
Kyoto.
Sarap ng hangin. Ito, river. Yes. Expensive. Oo. Ayun ang mga parang
Oh, boat
mini
ride.
boat. Oo, boat ride. Lakas naman maka-Burnham Park.
Lake Kawaguchi ko.
Like ano, oo, parang ganun.
Kawaguchi ko.
Oh, that's
In
different.
Shizuoka,
Looks like.
the same.
Ang lakas maka-Burnham naman ang
Oo.
ambience natin. Oo, ang dami oh. Ganda naman. Grabe, nakikita ko lang to sa ano sa mga vlog. Ayan, oo, onsen.
Oh, onsen.
Ito, iikot na pa tayo. Dito na yung end point eh. Alam ko, dito niya tayo bababa eh. Oo. Doon.
Last picture, okay?
Oh,
Ay.
yeah. Oh,
Ang lamig.
kamusta yung ano experience?
Masarap. Malamig,
Ito,
pero
30
masarap.
Oh, 30 minutes.
30 minutes,
Sulit.
pero worth it naman yung ano, 30 minutes na 10,000 yen. So, highly recommend. Sobrang
yung
sulit.
30 minutes.
Worth every cent.
Oo.
Every minute nung
Nung
30
ride.
minutes ride. 30-minute ride.
Sulit talaga. So ngayon maghanap naman kami CR. Lakas ng hangin.
Siguro
ang
sa
lamig.
mga ano kanina din sa mga souvenir shop. Dun, siguro.
Interview